of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5 and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, climate control, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, fog lamps, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, heated side mirrors, telescopic steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.